Welcome to the captivating world of embroidery, a realm where artistry merges with technology to give fabric a new dimension of beauty. Today, let's delve into the intricate specifics of a file format that has played a pivotal role in this fusion, the KSM Embroidery Format. Developed by the German sewing machine Titan, FOF, the KSM file format marks an important chapter in the rich heritage of embroidery. Since its inception in 1862, FOF has been at the forefront of innovation in the sewing industry. FOF's visionaries were among the pioneers to integrate the precision of computerized systems into the craft of embroidery. When FOF unveiled its first computerized embroidery machine in the early 1990s, it didn't just introduce a product, it revolutionized the entire field of embroidery, paving the way for a future where creativity and technology walk hand in hand. Designed exclusively for compatibility with FOF's state-of-the-art embroidery machines, the KSM format is proprietary, meaning it has been meticulously crafted to be interpreted and executed by FOF machines. This digital format relies on a binary file structure, an efficient language of ones and zeros that excels in capturing and storing vast amounts of information. The complex and ornate nature of embroidery designs demands such robustness in data storage, ensuring that no detail is lost in translation from design to stitched reality. Within the structural confines of a KSM file lies an organized array of embroidery commands. Each command is a directive, instructing the embroidery machine on specific needle movements, when to switch thread colors, and the types of stitches required. Additionally, the format holds crucial details pertaining to the design's dimensions, its precise placement on the material, and the type of fabric selected for the task at hand. Arguably, one of the most impressive characteristics of the KSM format is its capacity to contain multiple embroidery designs within a single file. For embroidery experts who manage an extensive portfolio of designs, this feature is indispensable. It streamlines their workflow, allowing them to classify, archive, and retrieve designs with heightened efficiency. For a duration extending into the early 2000s, the KSM format was the backbone of FOF's embroidery armature. However, as technology evolved, FOF introduced the VP3 format, a more flexible and versatile embroidery file format that broadened compatibility across a diverse spectrum of machines. Despite this shift, a dedicated community of FOF users continue to champion the KSM format for its precision-tailored performance on their specialized machines, delivering exceptional quality in their embroidered creations. Even now, the KSM format has not completely bowed out of the stage. Its presence persists, buoyed by the loyalty of veteran FOF machine operators and an extensive reservoir of designs that exist in this venerable format. The transition to newer formats poses a formidable challenge when such a vast archive of KSM designs remains integral to many embroiderers' libraries. In sum, the KSM embroidery file format stands as a testament to FOF's legacy in providing tools for superb artistic expression. It encapsulates embroidery designs as command sequences and excels in handling intricate data to deliver awe-inspiring results. Though the advent of the VP3 format signals a new era, the KSM format endures, steeped in the trust and preference of countless users. Its role in the historical tapestry of embroidery is indelible, and it promises to remain a trusted companion to many professionals in this beautiful craft for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.